Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up because it will really help my channel to grow. I am trying to get 1,000 subscribers, so I need all the help I can get. Thank you. In today's video, I'll be making the asymmetric ruffles or frills for this tabletop mannequin. Here I have drafted the paper like my pencil skirt. This is the waist, this is the hips, and this is the skirt length. I am going to go ahead and extend the hip line this way. Then I will be cutting off the excess for the pencil skirt. For a more detailed tutorial on how to draft a pencil skirt, I am going to leave a link in the description box, and I will also leave a card above. This is the front of the skirt and this is the back of the skirt. Using my curve ruler, I'll be creating a curved line from the hip of my skirt down to the length of my skirt. And then I'll be cutting it off. I'll be putting my gathered fabric in between here before I join the fabric back together again. Now I'll just go ahead and cut the pattern on fabric, and I'll be adding 1 inch allowance to each round. This is the fabric for the front of the skirt. I've added 1 cm all around as sewing allowance for the skirt. And this is the back pieces. Don't forget to add your zipper allowance to the back. I will be measuring where the gathered fabric will go, which is from the length up to the waist. This is about 5.5 inches. I will multiply that by 3. And that is the length of the fabric I'll be cutting out. I will be adding this to the front and the back of the skirt. This is the fabric. I will be folding it and cutting it into 2. The other piece will be for the back of the skirt. This is the front piece, and this is how it will look when I'm done with the gathers. This is the back piece. I am going to leave out the zip allowance, then I'll be sewing it down before adding the gathered fabric. Now I will just be sewing the fabric I cut out earlier back to the skirt. I will be doing the same thing for the back piece too. Here is the front piece and here is the back piece. I will be turning it over to the wrong side so I can sew the side seams. I will be sewing this side all the way down first. This is what it looks like. To sew the other side, I am going to put in all the frills to the right side. Make sure it goes in well so you don't sew on it accidentally. And you can only see the skirt pattern before you go ahead and sew it. I'll be turning it over to the right side now. This is what the skirt looks like. It is very simple and easy to sew. You can see the skirt peeking out from underneath. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Bye.